We are the children of Enugu.
The Vice Chancellor, Professor Aloysius Nnabugwu Okolie, on behalf of Council, Senate, Management, Staff and students of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Esut, cordially invites the university community and the concerned public to the 37th Inaugural Lecture of Enugu State University of Science and Technology on the topic Impact of Naira Exchange Rate Depreciation and Economic Growth, Causes, Effects and Ways Forward. Inaugural Lecturer, Professor Chioma Dorothy Oleka, Professor of Banking and Finance, and first female Dean of the Faculty of Management Sciences. Date, Thursday, 25th July 2024. As protocol demands, all guests is to be seated by 10 a.m. at Professor Julius Honor Auditorium, Esut Abani, while academic procession begins by 11 a.m. prompt after a courtesy call on Esut Vice Chancellor. Signed, Ambrose G. Ugu, Registrar, and Professor MVON Ezame, Chairman, Inaugural Lecture Committee. Be there, be there, be there.
Technology for service, service, service.